Hey friends, welcome to another product review. I'm checking out this Ridge Slim RFID blocking wallet. This is a gunmetal with a cash strap. So Ridge wallets come with a lifetime warranty. They basically replace them if they break. This comes with a little screwdriver, so if some of your screws fall out, you can replace those, and also some T5 additional torque screws in a little package in there. It comes with a nice little Ridge sticker there too if you want to throw those out there. So this is the gunmetal right there. So just check out how small these are compared to like my old wallet. It's just like, this thing's like it's crazy how small and lightweight this is. This holds up to 12 credit cards in there. Basically it just slides in there and this stretches out. So very cool. And then to access your card, just press up on the bottom and you can slide out which card that you want in there. Very cool. This one has the cash strap on the back, so to get some cash in there, just lift up on that a little bit. Slide that in there, so whether you want your cash one way or the other. Very secure. It's going to hold that in place. It's not going to come out of there. Just throw it in your pocket or whatever. You can be confident that's not going to come out of there. So to put your cards in there, it's just one at a time. I'm going to do it off screen real quick so we don't have any issues. Okay, just sliding them in the top there. They fit perfect. It's super easy to put them in there. Okay, so I got basically 6 cards in there, and that is just super tiny. Like in the palm of your hand. If you like to wear your wallet, whether in the front pocket like I do, a lot of people like them in the rear pocket. With that other wallet I had, it was kind of so big that when I sat down I didn't really like it. With this, it doesn't really matter. So yeah, it's just super, it's so small and you don't really notice it, and it's so lightweight. So whether you're throwing it in the front or the back, it's just super comfortable. Very, yeah, just a nice, super burly wallet, and it's going to protect your information on there as well. So once again, yeah, big shout out to Ridge, and if you guys want to check this wallet out, I'm going to link it in the product display there and link it in the description below. Be sure to use code ETPC10 for an additional 10% off. Have a great day, guys. We'll see you all next time.